decoration theme. I will make Makhar for Ganpati Bappa. So let's start. Material required for decoration: sellotape, scissor, colors, paper, white fabric, thermocol sheets, and empty box. Take a thermocol sheet and cut it in cloud shape. Take color and color the clouds. And color it like this. I have already made some more clouds. Take color paper and stick it on wall. Stick it properly. Take clouds and stick it on the box. And remaining on the paper. Take fabric and stick the fabric on wall like this. Take a lighting and put it on fabric. I am using some decoration fabric for looking beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, magic! See, our decoration is ready.